Hello everyone, so this is Rakshita. So let's start from class 8 maths lesson number 9 exercise 9.5. So actually in this question using identities evaluate. So question number 6 half part we have done in the previous video. So let's do the other one in this video. So here 297 into 303. So actually by using identities, so we have to evaluate in this question. So here 297. Actually in this part there are two terms. How many terms? Two terms. So this is from 297 and this is 303. So actually in this what you have to do, so here 297 you can write it as 300. It is closest to 300, right? 300 minus 3, because 300 minus 3 is 297. You can write it in plus also, like 290 plus 7. You can write it that also. But if you do it in minus, because it is closest to that, so it will be easier for you. Okay. So again multiply, then this 303. So for 303 we can write it as 300 plus 3. 300 plus 3. 300 plus 3. Okay, we have written. So which property we are going to use? Third property. So third is which property? I am writing the property here. Okay. So third property is a plus b into a minus b, okay, is equals to a square minus b square. So this property we are going to use. Okay. So actually here a square, a is this a, okay, which I am going to write a, this is b, this is again a, this is b. I hope actually these a b are visible to you. Okay. So here a square means this, or this you can take. So means 300 square minus sign as it is we are going to put, then b square, b is this or this you can take. You are not going to take the sign of this, like plus is there, you are not going to write plus there. Okay. Minus is there in the property, so we are going to write minus only. B square means 3 square. Okay. So wait, I am going to rub the property because we are going to do the rough here, rough part. Okay. So you get 300 square. You can write 300 square as like 300 into 300. Okay. So first in this, so I am going to tell you a trick here. Okay. I know that you are going to know. So here we have multiplied the constant 3 into 3. 3 3 is a 9. These two 0 1 2. These two 1 2. So this is this one. Okay. 90,000. Okay. So here 90,000. Then minus here as it is 3 square. 3 square means 3 3s are 9. So 9. So we have to minus from the 9,000. We have to minus 9. So let's minus 9. 10 minus 9 1. Nothing is there. So 9. Here also 9. And here 2. And now here 8. Okay. So I think so you all know subtraction how to do. So 89,991 is the answer. Wait, I am going to write here 89,991. So this is the answer of the sixth part. So let's come to the seventh part. So seventh part is 78 into 82. 78 into 82. So yeah, actually here also two terms are given. So here 78 into 82. These two terms are given. So here also we are going to expand 78. So 78 is there, so we are going to write it as, it is closest to 80. Yeah, it is closest to 80. So we are going to write it as 80 minus 2. 80 minus 2. Here we have done, then of next. 82. Here we can write it as 80 plus 2. 80 plus 2. Okay. 80 plus 2 is 82. Yeah. So here we are going to again use the property. So we are, yeah, I am going to write that property here or here. Let me write that here. Okay. A plus b into a minus b is equals to a square minus b square. So this is the property which I have written. So a square, again a square, a is this 80 means 80 square minus, as it is we are going to put, then b square, b is this 2, b is 2, so we are going to write 2 square. 80 into 2, I told you that 8 is a 64. Then here 10 is, if square is asked, so we are going to put 2 zeros. 1 2 minus as these 2 square, 2 to the 4, so we have to write 4. Then we have to subtract, okay, 6400 minus, let's do here also, minus 4, then 10 minus 4, 6, and 9 as these 9, okay, here 3, 6 is there means 6. 6396. It is little bit of okay, let it be. 6396 is the answer. I hope that you understood which I told you. 6 and 7 part. So I think so 2 parts are already remaining. 7, 6, 7 we have done. 8, 9. So let's come to the 8th part. Yeah. So here is last part 8 and 9 part. So let's do this. So your 8 part 8.9 square. So actually, yeah, in previous video I have given you a homework. Actually, I hope you have done and written the answer in comment box. I hope. So here 8.9 we can write it as 8 plus 0.9. 8 plus 0.9 and here square is there means whole square. So which property we are going to use? First property. I am going to say second but first property. Okay. So a square, not a square, a plus b whole square is equals to a square plus 2ab plus b square. Okay. So this is the second property. Okay. So here a square, a is this, means 8 square, then plus as it is, then 2ab. 2ab means 2 into a into b. 2 into a is this, into b is this, means 0.9. 0.9 after that, plus as it is, b square, b is this, means 0.9 square. 0.9 square. Okay. So I should rub this property because now it is of no use. Okay, so here 8 square means 8 is a 64 plus as it is now this. So first we are going to multiply this 0.9 and 8. 0.9 and 8. 8 nines are 72 and it's 0. Okay, this point after 1 digit means here also after 1 digit. And then after multiplying it, we have done these two, then multiply by 2. Multiply 2. 2 twos are 4, point as d, 7 twos are 14. Means 14.4. Okay, so we are going to write here 14.4 plus as it is 0.9 square. So 0.9 square, again we are going to do the rough one. 0.9 square, again 0.9, yeah. 0.9. 9 nines are 81, 9 zeros are 0 as it is, and again multiply 0 nines are 0, 0 zeros are 0, so 081. Here it is after 2 digit, here also 1 means 2 digit, so here 0.81, 0.81. So now we have to add these digits. Okay, so first is 64 is, yeah, 64 plus 14.4 plus 0.81 plus 0.81. Here 1 as it is, 8 plus 4 12. Wait, 12, yeah, and point here 4 plus 4 8, 8 plus 1 9. Okay, then 6 plus 1 7, so 79.21. Okay, so here we are going to write 79.21. So this is the answer of the 8th one. So let's come to the last part of this question, means 9 part. So 9 part is 10.5 into 9.5. Here also two terms are given. So again we are going to expand it, this and this. So here 10.5. So we can write it as 10 plus 0.5. Okay, 10 plus 0.5. Then this. Okay, then this we have done. So 9.5. 9.5 it is closest to 10. Okay, so we can write it as 10 minus 0.5. 10 minus 0.5. point, okay, 0.5. Okay, 0.5, then bracket close. So here we are going to use the, I think so, third property. A plus b into a minus b is equals to a squared minus b squared. So this is the means property. This is a property, and this is square. Okay, yeah. So a square, a is this, and you can take this also because this and this are same. Okay, so 10 means 10 square, minus is there, so minus sign as it is. Then b square, b is this or this, so 0.5 square. This is a very big minus, I think so. I've ever seen this. Okay, it's knowledge. Let remain. So here 10 square. 10 square is again 1 ones are 1 only. Then if 1 0 is there and square is also 2 0. 1 2 and 0.5 square, I think so we know 0 point as it is. So 5 5 is 25. You can do it as it is also. If you want to do it in rough, so you can also do. That is also option for you. So here 100 minus 0.25. So let's do 100 minus 0.25. If in minus, here also point. If nothing is there upon this number, nothing is there, so you are going to put a 0. If in plus, so you would no need to put anything. Okay, these here 10 minus 5 as it is. Then here 9 minus 2 7. Point as it is. This here 9 again, 9 here also 10 9. So 99.75. So here, so 99.75. So we have done here this yeah, 8th and 9th part. So the 6th question is completed. So thank you so much for watching this video. So let's come to the question number 7.